The Titanium 3 will be officially launched on March 31st. The new vehicle is positioned as a midsize all-electric SUV and will be equipped with a dual-motor power system. The estimated starting price is 220,000 yuan. In terms of appearance, according to the previously revealed announcement images, the new car adopts a rather radical design concept. There is a black rectangular grille on the front face, and the sharp LED headlights on both sides present a very dominant appearance. The front lower bumper has a wide structure, and silver linings are added on both sides to highlight the texture. The sides of the vehicle body have a four-sided four-wheel design ratio, which is very dynamic and easy to control. The front and rear fenders are swollen outward, creating a muscular feeling. The wide black door sill is very wild. 5-spoke low-friction rims enhance sportiness, while hidden door handles are also used in the details. The rear of the vehicle is equipped with a small backpack in the middle to increase the tough atmosphere. There are flag-style taillights on both sides, while there are double-section small spoilers on the upper side to continue the sportiness. The shape of the rear frame reflects the shape of the front frame. When we look at the dimensions of the new car, the length, width and height values are determined as 4605/1900/1720 mm, and the wheelbase is 2,745 mm. In terms of power, the front and rear engines of the new car have a maximum power of 110 kilowatts and 200 kilowatts respectively, and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 4.9 seconds.